So, hi, welcome back. How's work? Here, I got your coat. Yeah, how's work? Oh, I don't really think I need an answer for that. Yeah, I can just tell by how you're moving and how you look. If you don't mind telling me what went wrong. Yeah, it's fine. You don't have to share anything with me. Yeah, it's okay, really. Um, do you wanna maybe cuddle a little bit? Yeah, after you get out of the shower. Yeah, I could really use some cuddles right now. I'm I'm just glad to have you home. Come here, come here. Mwah. All right. How about you go hop in the shower in a bit? I'll get your clothes ready. Um, I thought I put your pajama pants here. Yeah. Okay. Shirt. Here. Here you go. Yeah. So what if it's a pink shirt? It looks cozy. You're saying that's gay while you're dating me. Yeah, okay, buddy. Yeah, I mean, I guess if you have socks on, it's not gay. I mean, look at me. I barely qualify as a guy. Okay, go get in the shower. Okay, I'll see you when you're out of the shower. Oh, hi. I didn't even notice you walk into the room. Yeah, I have my earbuds in. I didn't even notice you getting into the bed. Come here. This pillow's not doing it. There. You're warm. Yeah, I know you're always this warm. Mwah. Wish we could just do this all day. No work, no nothing. We just cuddles all day. Here, come here. I want to hold you. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, I know how much you melt under praise. That's why I called you a good boy. Oh, you look so adorable. Hey, sweetie. Look at me real quick. Look at me. Come on. Come on. There you go. Aww. Oh, oh, you're so precious. Mm. God, you're adorable. Oh my God, what did I do to deserve you? just last week you took me out on a date at like a really nice restaurant. Yeah, how's your wallet feeling? Yeah, I mean, what mortgage are we on? I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Okay. Uh, so have you been doing anything new lately? No, that's okay. Uh, me, I did start. You're gonna hate me for this, but I did start playing Rainbow Six Siege again. Oh my god, I haven't played in like 3 months. I'm I'm so bad. Like just yesterday, I was on Clubhouse, and one of my teammates had the SMG-12, and they they did not hit a single shot. Yeah. Uh. Anyways, I don't really want to talk about games and stuff. Not right now. So tomorrow, I might not be home until like 6. I know. Baby, I know. Yeah, I'll make it up to you. Don't worry. I'll like cuddle you, like as soon as I get home. I'll drop everything. Okay. You're easily persuaded by like anything I do. You're clinging on like really tight. No, not that I'm hiding. No, of course not. It's just like, a little unexpected when you squeeze me. No, you certainly don't have to give me a warning. Look at me. Good boy. You're so adorable. Such a good puppy. I know you like that more than good boy. I can see you're red as a tomato right now. Don't think I don't see you smiling too. Aww. Yeah, I'm a little sleepy. Yeah, we should probably go to sleep soon. Because it's 9:25. And I'm really tired. Yeah, I could probably sleep like 16 hours. I've done it before, okay? So, probably after tomorrow, because I'm not going to be home till like 6, and I know I promised I cuddled you as soon as I get home, or I'd cuddle you as soon as you get home, but The day after, I think I'm not too sure. I know you just started your new job, and I don't really know your schedule, but you should be off the day after tomorrow, right? Yeah? Okay. Okay, good, good, good. No reason. No, not at all. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna try going to sleep now. Okay, puppy? Okay. Good night. Love you.